my goodness, y'all. Baby hair? What baby hair? We don't know her. This is a grown woman wig, okay? We don't do baby hair on our grown woman wigs, okay? So hi everyone, my name is makaylamashelle if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys one, how I install my unit, and then last but not least, I'm also going to be showing you guys how I got these curls. So if you want to see all of that, then be sure to stay on tuned. But before we get on into everything, I just want to say, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Turn on my post notifications and follow me on Instagram at makaylamashelle. Okay, so let's get on into the video. Alrighty, you guys, so to start off, I'm going to be using the Wig Cap Method. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this, but a little trick that I learned that I wanted to tell you guys about is to actually cut your wig cap a little bit behind your ears instead of directly like on your ear. This will prevent any of that ripping that happens up the side of your wig cap. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. If not, then just trust me and just cut behind your ears like I'm doing. Alrighty guys, so I just want to give a shout out to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. All the information on this unit will be in the description box as always. Okay, so what you're going to see me do here is just cut the ear tabs of my wig cap so that it fits underneath my frontal and nothing is peeking out past the hairline of the frontal. To make sure that I lay the wig exactly where I want to put it once I have the glue down, I like to go through and make a couple markings on my lace and like on my forehead, just so I can like match up the dots and everything can lay exactly where I want it to and I won't have to pull up any glue. Alrighty, so the glue that I'm going to be using is Ghost Bond Active and it will be linked in the description box. Now a little tip that I have is to actually apply the glue onto the wig cap along the edge of the wig cap, and then to use whatever tool, if you're using a tongue depressor or a card, to basically scrape the glue like down the wig cap and onto your skin just a little bit. Now I don't like to apply too much onto my skin just because I have really sensitive skin, and I just feel like why put it on your skin if you can mainly put it on the wig cap, but that's just what makes sense to me. And then I'm going to be using this elastic band to hold my lace taut while I blow dry it. This is a great piece to use instead of a scarf because it allows airflow while still holding your lace really taut against your skin. Okay, so when you get to the point of cutting your lace, you guys, I cannot emphasize this enough, but please go slowly, because as you can see here, I ended up cutting off a piece of the hairline. And this little like imperfection of the hairline kind of made it look more natural in my opinion, so I was highly upset that I did that. So yeah, go slow. And then also I suggest to use an eyebrow razor or smaller eyebrow scissors over using normal size hair scissors, because for me at least it cuts a lot smoother and makes the hairline look more natural. Okay, you guys, so I just want to give a little disclaimer that my lace wasn't actually this light. the lighting that I have set up in my room kind of throws off the tones and hues of things, which sucks, especially because of how I had the light angled. But I also did end up putting on some more makeup onto the lace, just a little bit of powder to kind of blend into my contour shade a little bit more. Okay, you guys, so these next clips are actually close to like a week later, and my lace has started to lift a little bit. So I wanted to just show you how I would maintenance that and how I would kind of relay that little portion if I don't want to fully take off my wig. So basically, I'm just taking a little bit of alcohol to lift up the glue, and then I'm going to be got-to-being it back down. Okay, so to curl my hair, I ended up just taking medium-sized chunks and wrapping it around the barrel of my wand. I will link the wand color that I'm using down below. It's actually perfect for super long hair because it's an extended like wand, if that makes sense. So there wasn't really any true like technique that I was using, just simply wrap it around the barrel. And then also you're gonna see me take some clips, and that is just to kind of mold the curls in the front to be exactly how I want them to be. I found this little trick. I was trying to figure out what everybody was doing with these clips, y'all, and I finally figured out how to use them properly. I feel like it was kind of like a duh, like it was so easy to do. But yeah, I definitely suggest getting you guys some little mini banana clips. I don't know if that's really what they're called. And just pinning your hair up. I'll link those in the description box as well. I got like a huge thing of them off of Amazon for like, ooh, it was so cheap, y'all. But I bought them a minute ago, so I don't know the exact price. But like I said, I'll link everything down below. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to check out some of my other content, and also remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram at makaylamashelle.